Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to give you a quick review about this website called 1hour. So 1hour is an AI video platform that allows you to create videos with a virtual presenter, and it's a good option for businesses that want to create a consistent and a professional video content for their brand or for their business, for their working place, for their team and individual as a creator. So this platform actually helps you to achieve that. With the help of this website, you can create or you can generate an AI video platform that that allows you to create a virtual presenter. So if you want to present videos, maybe you are a person that want to present videos in a team, this platform is for you. So the platform generates videos using AI with human centric and storytelling. So it creates a media entertainment experience conversing avatars and dynamic videos with Gen AI. So it comes with a lot more. So content workflow for enterprises growth. So this actually lets your team create and manage and streamline the cinematic AI avatar videos, which is super cool. So this platform is a solid platform for creating videos with virtual presenter, but the limited avatar section and the potential high cost are factors to consider when it comes to this website. And this will take us to the pricing list of the pricing of this website. So on this website, they have three pricing plan, which is which is the light plan, the business, which is most recommended plan. Then you have the enterprise, which is custom. If you want to get access to this with the right photos that is on this, you have to know properly the customer care, because this is custom. This custom, it is it's a special plan, so you don't have to get through to the customer support. So you also have the first plan right here, which is the free trial plan. You pay nothing less, just free. They only get few services included on this plan, which is just to share video via a link. Then you have about 100 plus AI avatars with one editors and one viewers, which is it's not really good like that. You might not get the most for this, might not get the most out of this plan. So you might really want to just simply go for the other plan, which is light and can be expensive a little. So you pay $30 bills for that, and the service are included, which is you share and download, no watermark, no 2D template, no script and video wizard, and one paid editors and 3 viewers set up. And get started if you want that. Then if you want the other plan, which is the business plan, which is the most recommended plan, and for complete scaling videos creation, yes, I feel that it's just around $12. Then you get access to 20 minutes each month. Then you can also get access to everything in light, together with 3D premium plan, 3D premium template, custom brand kit and logo, customer support, translation wizard, improved rendering, and one editors and 5 viewers with workspace collaboration. If this actually suits for your plan, you can just get started with this, then which is one of the most recommended plan for all users. And the custom is a separate made plan for not for everybody, it's for special people. Then with what this, you have to get unlimited limit, and just get everything in bonus, and also get unlimited videos, unlimited video minutes, cinematic avatars, full brand customization, priority rendering queue, users access management, customer sources manager, API sources, and SSO. So all this actually makes the pricing plan a bit costs a little. So the cost factor is pretty there. And on the free list, here the available service that you can choose to get features you can get. So these are the listed features which are shared among the plan. So right from the quick view, you have the API, AI wizard tools, AI wizard credit, video wizard, speech wizard, and meeting board with translation wizard, customization, web avatars, custom studio avatars, custom cinematic avatar, custom template, gesture set, voice clone, voice upload, music upload, voice speed and control, remove watermark, brand kit, workflow, personalization token, upload CSV, video brief, media, a lot is available right on this, and this are available on each and every plan. So some plan will not get some features from here, while some plans will definitely get some features. So this the availability of the possibility of the plan you are going for to get all of this is will be shortlisted on the pricing plan. So if you want to get it, if you want to make some comparison, so you can just simply go to the website, which is hour1.ai/pricing, then take it down to the pricing list of the website. Then from there you can simply check the pricing list and compare a little bit, but this is kind of high cost a little, so high cost factor, and at the same time here's a key benefit you stand to gain. Talking about benefits, so what will you stand to gain? What are your benefits from using many subscription and use this website for your video content creation? Some of these get access to virtual presenter, which help you choose from a diverse cast of virtual presenter. They can also get access to customizable scripts, a branding option, and a lot more like that. So that's it. So talking about the pricing again, it's can be really annoying, but then it's still a bit more accessible. Then let's talk about the pros and conditions of this website. Talking about the advantages, it's very easy to use. It has very intuitive interface, which makes it easy to use, and also it has realistic AI avatars with good value for the price, and also a lot of customization option and the fast trending time, which is super cool. And the downside of this website is that they have limited voice cloning option. The limited voice cloning option is very limited, and it can be pricey for high usage, and also occasional glitch with the avatars, and not as many creative features as Didi. So that's it on this website. A lot more is is listed, so you can also check the features, the feature option, just to get a lot and the wide range of features that is present on the website, like AI avatars and language voiceover and more like that. So that's it. Let me know in the comment section if you think this is AI website over here is think is best for what you think you want to do. So that's it. Find this video helpful, turn on the notification button and follow for more. Thank you.